Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering up and positioning the watch. Make sure the watch has charge and your iPhone is nearby with Bluetooth on. Once the watch screen lights, press and hold the side button to turn it on, then pick your language. While the watch boots, open the band and place it on your wrist so the sensors sit flat against your skin. This ensures accurate heart and motion detection. After you choose language, move to pairing immediately to avoid extra configuration later. Once done with power and placement, open the watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Center the watch's animated pattern in the iPhone camera viewfinder so the devices recognize each other. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID when prompted, enable wrist detection for security and accurate tracking, and create a passcode. When asked, choose to restore from backup or set up as new. Then pick which apps and settings to sync so the watch reflects the features you use most. To finish, customize your watch face, complications, and notification preferences so your most used info is immediate. Make sure health and activity permissions are granted, and allow time for apps and any software updates to download and sync. This can take several minutes. If you spot missed notifications or pairing fails, try a force restart on both devices first. If that doesn't work, unpair the watch from the iPhone and perform a reset. Then repeat pairing to resolve persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.